What team? You're tall boy. Songster none of your patriots. You know it's I call you saboteur, you're tall boy. I'm here represent for pretty girls. Tom, fret them. Dr. Love, where boy put in night chicken? Where pussy put in night chicken?
No, sir. Puss not rubbing. I don't know what she a do. That
Puss,
fool.
I look people fi come rub for her.
Right. I don't know what she a do. She drop a chin. Then she go for all these different people that have nothing to do with nothing. That's nothing to do with anything right now. How that have to do with rubbing the ape?
Exactly.
This has nothing to do with the ape. Like, rub the ape. Rub from beginning to end. At least, me can say one thing. The Yamed, she end up rub from beginning. All comedy in a it.
Love Saunders mash her up. Bad.
Right.
And I'll no Puss can't come back. She can't even get one round
Right.
in. Queen of Rubber Dub can't get one round. That's sad. Puss,
That's
you
what I'm
can't go out
saying.
like this.
No, she have to come back, man, and clap back. Clap back, girl. Ape, monkey, gorilla. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. Clap back, bitch. The fuck? You think they're gonna go so yo, if anybody was rubbing me like that, it not working. No. From morning till night, me no stop. Me no stop.
When I kill me like comment.
Islandkandy boyfriend. You wouldn't know. Oh shit.
No, sir.
This is serious. Twins going live together. What yo? They're not easy. You guys are not easy at all, yo. I swear. You call each other bad and see if they know the difference. That's funny. Oh my gosh. But me said, Saunders give it to the blood clot gorilla. She give it to her bad. Me not hype up for her either. I mean, I like her. But
Me not like none of them, but we have to pick a winner and Love Saunders a win.
Right. You have to give what's due to Caesar, and she rub her clean and proper. And I like. You know me hit the blood clot junk for them. But I saw it go. Straight up. Puss a look help. Puss is looking help, yo.
But nobody no want help her.
Right. Because all she do is say, go on, man, go on, rub, man, go on, rub. Fuck. And then she leave the phone alone. Yeah? And go and make the people them a rub by themselves. And then when somebody clap back now at the person, she run, go and hide. She hide. That's all.
Both them a draw for diary.
Yeah, because they don't have no lyrics. They don't have nothing to say. Puss don't know. Everything that Puss is drawing card with Love Saunders, she is basically getting it from us. And the information from we she use. Make sure move her dirty blood clot. Go and go find your own file. Why you not draft for the ape file on your own, dog shits?
Me say, and there's so much files with Ape where SWAT team put out. Like, what the hell?
Everything will be put up about them. What that they might use for each other. They're using our files on each other. Dummies. They're so stupid. Oh my God. And them say we are not the best. Please, we are the baddest. The fuck don't know. We over here are the baddest, okay? Can't fucking fool we and kill we and trick we. Moving a blood clot.
This two side not stop call up them enemies name.
Right,
But at least Love Sanders a quote where people say. Them after they
right.
play half an hour what a mess live where people do.
Exactly. Right. And play over the voice note them. The one they get voice note them I play for all 20 minutes. Never heard that yet. One voice note, so where's the rest of them? Because she don't want to play what she say. She just want to play what Love Sanders say. You understand?
Love
Mm-hmm.
Sanders not erase everything.
And that's the same thing the bitch did to me. But she don't know say me move fast. She don't know say we are no idiot. Me call that. She learned from us how to cover up screen and all these things. The Yamid, that ugly fucking monkey.
Love,
Say we
Love
hate the
Sanders
girl.
learn from some
We
post.
hate the girl, yo.
Me
Hmm?
know you hate her.
We hate the girl. And you know what's so fuck up? Is that she don't know who I am. She doesn't know me. Like personally. Like, she may see me once or twice, but she don't know. You see what I mean? Know everything about everything from top to bottom. And that's what fucking dirty Puss I use and clap her with. Move your germs yourself, Puss. Go beard.
She better go bed before she come on live.
Right. You spear powder
Cause when
upon her
she
chest.
start live, she not
One
done.
whole buckle. She go run for Keiko and Brittany. Where are with them there? Why aren't they running out? Because they see that when the whole of Sanders thing was going on, she had tell Keiko for done. Or if you tell Keiko for done and you are sit down there and rub Tanya. You're cussing Tanya, but then you tell Keiko to stop. How that work and how that look
She a
as a
cuss Tanya, everybody a help her cuss Tanya. But she don't want help people them cuss Love Sanders. Me glad when Love
right.
Sanders come out, she just start bust it pan Puss.
Exactly.
She no bother wait. She hear two shades and she don't like it. She just start bust it.
Mm-hmm. I'll let the comment section the woman start. Don't fucking kill me, the woman. She come with her 3-4 page to us and she said she not have no fake page. Bitch lie. She'll make a fake page with my picture, Fred them picture, Tanya picture, the whole Chin Allen picture, the whole away. But just change up the name like a little bit different, the spelling a little bit different. Move your blood clot ape Sanders. Go back on YouTube, bitch. And I talk about you take down channel. You know, take down nothing a blood clot. Me faster and quicker than the wall I won't know. You think me I gonna make dumb people like wanna take down my page? Yeah, you're fucking crazy.
I think she
Me
said
have
she said cake or throw what pan her pitney or some crap like that.
really. Hmm.
Cake on the pan smarty live a laugh about
Yes, Dan,
her
we are.
pitney.
Yep. We are the baddest and the best. You know, this is why something. Yeah. And you know what pissed me off when I hear Love Sanders say, "Oh, um, I'm a Canadian," and shut the fuck up. No, you're not. You're Jamaican, bitch. You came when you were young. You're still
Oh, she never
Jamaican.
born. She never born, yeah.
No, she wasn't born in Canada. A Jamaica, she born. She move her blood class. She and her two brother them. And one of the brother get deported. She don't like me, you just see how she hot for me. Because I thought the things that she don't really address me or address what I'm saying because she know I have to answer to the people them and come out and have to say certain stuff. You see what I'm saying? So she kind of bypassed it. Move your blood clot ape. You know your whole life history. And you're still living in the blood clot housing project in Driftwood. Move yourself. Fucking dog shit. You grew up in the hood and you don't want nobody to know say I get how you was raised in a, and now you live in a suburbia where the bush is. You live in the bush. I live in the city and you live in the bush. Yeah. The correct Riding Hood. Oh fucking John Crow, you get catch.
Okay.
What happened?
Yeah, Puss scared. I love Saunders for sure.
Yeah. Trust me. You hear me, man? You know, hear me, man? Me not have no cast by the friendly ghost and run around your saw. None. We're quiet like church mouse and can't fucking hear him. You know, hear the tough manly voice in the background was my man. Okay, dog Saunders. Yeah, me have a man. In Dana me yard. Move your dirty blood clot. Oh
Really?
fucking peasant. Oh skirmish.
That bad diary? Fuck, man.
Yes, the whole of Jane Street. Bap, bap, bap. Money, money. Why? The woman said, me still live at Jade Fit. She forgot she went to go fight the air. She never go fight me. So I don't know the fuck she had talk about. And anyhow me buck her down at Jane Street, Jane and Wilson where her dad work, or wherever. Trust me. Me not do talking. Me not in a no long talking. I'm a fighter, eh? I don't really cuss like that. But trust you me. When I bought this woman a beer beating she get, beer lick, then she will know who I am after she don't get the beating. This blood clot crow bait. And I have something in store for her, but just how weird to drop it. Oh God. You know, I'm gonna say, Lord God have mercy. Just wait. Me I wait for her to come back and roll in for fucking Puss. Me I gotta drop it blood. You guys gonna be like, what the hell? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Just like how she said, oh, my brother never got deported. She has two brothers. And the one that she went to his house, that was the other one. The one that got deported is in Jamaica. Make sure move our dirty self. Your name Shati. Move yourself, Love Saunders. Me find everything out about you. Dirty dog. And that is your house. That 3-bedroom. Move your dirty pussy wall. But oh, I have a 5-bedroom with 5 bathrooms. Fuck a lie. Lie? Oh gosh. Oh my god. Lie your fuck. Show the people them bathroom, then go home and show the fucking chaka bathroom where full of everything. Our flamingo they on the top of the blood clot. Toilet seat at the back. Flamingo. You know I hear?
That house does not look like no 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom.
Shall have washer and dryer in the blood clot bathroom. Jesus. So that means that you don't have a laundry room. Oh my gosh. And you know what's so embarrassing? The size of her house, like the width of her house is like 1,500 feet, right? That's the size of my condo.
Don't make she
fucking
hear
kill
that
me.
condo, you know. Don't.
And that's just a condo. I have a 3-bedroom. I have a 3-bedroom condo, right? That's the same fucking size as our house. Your house not that big, bitch. You could put your hands out in the bedroom. You could put your arms out, and you could almost touch the wall to wall. What the fuck you talking about? Move yourself. And my condo is nice. It's fucking beautiful. It's nice. Mm-hmm.
You sure not somebody else condo you gonna take picture of Storm?
Me? No, love.
The woman's mad. We can't believe the woman show people bathroom and they take picture and they act like a fireplace. Like
Who
you
does
dream
that?
for that kind of place. Just work towards it. Stop fucking
That's what I'm
hype on people's
saying.
shit.
I always tell people this, right? I love nice things. But at the end of the day, if I want something and I know that I want a certain couch or a certain um ottoman or something in my house, I am going to save and then
Exactly.
buy it. You see what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Little by little, get three. And a
Yeah,
drink,
she a
please, babe.
cost put both put her better England. She put on £5, £10. But say at least she put down money and buy it. Oh, diary.
Puss immigration. I don't know too
Uptown.
much
I'm a
surprises.
gangster.
Hope she goes live again because I want the
Good morning,
surprise.
fret them.
Good morning, Fred. What's poppin'? We hear the junk or them a call your name, Fred them. They move themselves.
You know, reach home yet, Brash. We come bust out Erica
Yes.
files. You have the files them ready, cause you're not company life till you have everything ready.
I am back. I'm Mr. Trust me. For me, please. With these here's Bomber clot. What you want here?
It's a
Bomber
bumper
ass
last
clot.
class.
Bomber ass clot.
Oh my god.
Christmas kid easier. Aw. They say we even laugh alike. I don't know. I don't know.
No,
Oh
sir.
shit. Why you want me say that Christmas kid? Why? We say it alike? Or what? Fred the him. It's the same person. That's not. Don't kill me. Oh shit. Mm-hmm. And you know what pisses me off is when Love Saunders always talk about her kids. Them everybody's kids are kids. They're teenagers. They're little kids or the whatever. You see what I'm saying? But don't make it out as if your kids are doing anything wrong. You see what I'm saying? Don't make it seem like your kids them not do nothing behind your back. Your kids them are smoking. They're doing all kind of shit behind your back with those white kids, and you don't know what them are do. You don't know. So hush your mouth and stop talk. Fucking in a people ears. Move your dirty ass.
Mm-hmm.
Bumper ass glad.
Yes, Janet. She a go come for some sister. No, sir.
And she come for me. I drop something out for her. You see? Every time I drop things for me story, she always come. No
Right
matter how
then.
me block her, she always come read up. Her little dirty
Love
self.
standards not stop bust it up and post. Two
Yes,
days
Fred
straight.
them.
Love
Yes,
standards a murder post.
Mr. Fred them. She give her one piece of or rubbings there. From top to bottom. From beginning to sky. Yo, Yo, she rub her out. Not the left.
All no Puss can't
Puss
make a
can't
comeback.
come back. She can't come back all no.
Yes, Janet, you are.
Mm-hmm.
That's what she said. But now call her ape because she said anybody call her ape, she'll report them comment.
She report me and try broken on my blood clot phone, that fucking ugly ape.
Yes, fret them 2 days straight. Today are day 3 actually.
That bitch.
She murder Puss.
She
I don't
rub
know
her
why we
out.
sound alike.
Lad. Did say a
Yeah.
coolie.
Ape have 3 nothing. Puss. Ape versus gorilla.
Right. Ape versus gorilla. 2-1. Fret them. 2-0.
A 3-0.
At 3-0. Yes, she just come back. Me buckler. Jesus. She never take down nothing.
She say she take down your page, and
She lie.
if she realize say YouTube not take it down and she see it back up in a couple months, she'll report it again.
She can go and report. She better make
And
sure
big time
and keep
entertainment,
looking.
she'll take down them page. She go up and fret them
She
page.
can't go on. I hate my page. Make sure move her dirty blood clot. We're smarter than that. Hello?
She not ready to
I
fret them
knew.
page because she
I
not have enough
knew.
followers
I
yet.
knew that she was always reporting my page every day for every different thing. And I wrote to fucking YouTube. I told them about her page. That was a few weeks ago. And then I got a message saying that it's been reported or whatever for copyright or some shit. One of the videos from what's it called that I put up, but they told me that it's been reported over and over. They're investigating where it coming from, so she better mind her blood clot page don't come down. Yes, sir. And they gave me instructions. I could hide it, or I could just take down the 2 video with Tanya. Shall report the 2 video with Tanya and Fred too. Tanya and Fred them live and my live with Tanya. We should move ourselves. I took those down. I just hit it. Fucking bitch.
She said she not going to permission for use her face.
But at the end of the day, who the fuck wants to use a fucking ugly face like that? Come on now. Who the fuck is gonna want to use a ugly? Why wouldn't we want to use Rihanna or Beyonce or one of them? The face. Why would we take the ugliest of the ugly? Bitch, bye. Please. And then when she find out, say, Baby Lee, I use our picture. She said, oh, it's a mad lady or whatever. So why you not gone? You get your face. It flinging out the blood clot Niagara Falls. Why you not go get it and just go to YouTube?
She said
Why are you still here?
she has sue.
She can't sue nobody. She not the money.
Chin Allen, even
She
if at
can't.
$2.50 a month,
Hold on.
$2.50
Let
a
me
month.
ask you something. So how she got sue Chin Allen when Chin Allen is not her blood clot name?
For
Hello?
defamation of character.
Pick sense out of nonsense. She called police pan Fred them.
I
She
don't know
called police
nobody
pan
name.
me. She called police pan Tadia. She called, and then she's the one saying that she don't call all these places to report people. You can imagine how much people she sent back to Jamaica, especially people with confident, like talking to her and telling them that they're not landed and stuff like that, and then she report them.
I guess that's Shireen. She got charge.
How is she gonna charge Shireen when at the end of the day that person, you see what I'm saying, that doesn't even come on the live or come anywhere on you know what I mean? Like
a couple days before Christmas, one of SWAT team called police panar.
Good.
And she had to
Good.
she wasn't on live and all these things.
That fee blood clot happen. Where's the baby?
Yeah. Tematsuno.
How is a person that's broke gonna want to sue anybody? Does that make sense? Come
You know,
on
hear the
now,
woman say even if
Island
a
Candy.
$2.50,
Two
she
dollar
wants her.
fifty. She just wants to do it just to say she's gonna do it. You see what I'm saying? Make sure she come like Amari. Amari bring Dr. Love go a blood clot court. Regular court just family blood clot court. The woman go and the judge run her out. Cause Dr. Love have all the proof and everything. Make she move her. Yo, she go and like say Amari is our blood clot mentor. Dirty dog shit, Amari. Dirty life. Dirty life. Dirty life. Yes. The whole of them I live dirty life. I'll post two in it.
Me love
Dirty
Amari.
life. At least Amari funny. Me can't watch Amari because we know her lies them. We know her and she look way better than on them blood clot ape for sure. She better looking than even though she have one skirt mouth, one long blood clot mouth. She still better looking than the bumbo clot ape. Talk truth. Talk truth, the candy.
We just love Mari.
Right. She funny. She funny as fuck. Amari funny even when she a lie. Even when she a lie
Madam,
and
a
talk the
pure
big them,
lighting.
Amari blood clot lie. She
Pure
lie, but she
lighting.
funny as fuck. Me nah lie. Me rather watch Amari than listen to the blood clot lying ape. Lie for eyelash for everything. Lie about every fucking thing. With her kill me both them. Ugly as fuck.
No, sir.
If anybody make up a name called Ape Saunders for me and that and Saunders and Melate, me cut off all Instagram, all YouTube, all everything. Me don't want nobody call me so. That's her name on Instagram. Aren't you embarrassed, bitch?
Ape Sanders.
Single star. Christmas kid. Leave me alone. Yeah,
Nobody
Ape
know.
Saunders. We give her that name. We give her that name, Yamed. We give her Yamabella, Fuckabella, Sockabella, the whole of the Bella them. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yamed was her original name. Yamed Saunders, yes? And it step up to Ape. Oh, the blood clot, dirty lie. Go and sing Candy.
Dirty
Sing Dirty
life.
Lie.
Dirty life. Dirty life. Bitch, go like she a wife. Bitch, you a knife. Something like that.
Where's the cousin?
Me love Mari.
She's funny. She's funny bad. I'm not lie. Mm-hmm.
What? Oh God. We're married.
Boom.
Mari funny but I lie. Ape name stick. Yeah, it stick. Yes, COVID, it stick your fuck. And liar. The biggest liar on the internet. Lie about every and anything. Yeah, mate. Mm-hmm. Ape Sanders, yes. She drink and smoke like everybody and go on like say she a innocent. Oh, I'm a nurse. Nurse me blood clot. Nurse which fat. Nurse where? She's the nurse. She's the fucking nurse of the internet where I go around and I bada every blood clot body. Make she move her dirty blood clot. Move yourself. Her sister is a nurse, okay? If you want to me for bust out the secret them. Her sister is a fucking nurse and she's trying to walk in her sister's footstep. Fucking lying ass. Onisha is her blood clot sister. Mm-hmm.
Our sister the nurse, not she.
Yes, her sister is a
Lie.
nurse.
Like you don't need to tell
Exactly.
anybody nothing about you, so that means you
About
don't
your
need to
life.
lie.
Right.
Exactly.
Why tell anybody about your life? Put out what you want to put out there. But she's putting out from she come on from she come on YouTube and start cuss with she talk about I have this and you have that. And why are you comparing to anybody? We don't give a fuck. We don't care. Everybody lives in their own household. You see what I'm saying? They buy their own groceries. They buy stuff for their kids. They buy clothes to put on their kids' back for their self and for their spouse. Why the problem? What the fuck is the issue? No, you want to come say you have Porsche, you have big bathroom, you have 5 bathroom terrace. Some what do you call those places? Mansion don't even have 5 big bathroom, like 5 full bathroom. I mean, they could have halves and stuff like that, but some of them don't even have 5. So where the fuck y'all go? We a 3 bedroom. Fuck out of here. But her license, my credentials could get me in the front line when I go to the grocery store. Bitch, bye. Where? That's one thing I don't like, is a liar.
I've never seen nobody with them getting no special treatment with
just
her
because they're a
credentials.
nurse. Right.
Lies.
Oh, I just show my badge. I just show my card and go up to the front and I don't have to wait in line. Shut up.
I don't think so. Me live in Canada. I never see that happen
Me
with
too.
no nurse or nobody.
Exactly. You could have been doctor, you could have been nurse, you could have been surgeon. You have to wait in line like everybody else.
Yep.
Don't
even
matter
the old
what
people,
you
them
are.
and the people them in a wheelchair.
Right.
Unless you want to tell them to go ahead of you. But it's
And
not
since
like
the whole
you have
COVID,
to. Nope.
the whole COVID thing happened and people all have to wait out the door and line up.
Yeah, they have special time for the old people.
Right. And then the regular people, they come at a certain time. Right.
Yeah.
And they make you wait. Even if it cowl outside, you still have to stand up in the line and wait. No matter what you are, surgeon, doctor, dentist, whatever. Shall I? But
she live in Canada.
But hold on, in Canada, I know that we have a health card over here, right?
Yep.
We don't have to pay for certain dental work and stuff like root canal and stuff that you have to do surgery and stuff like that. You have to pay out of pocket, right? If you don't have insurance or whatever.
You have Blue Cross. Yep.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. But she's making it seem as if she has to pay for everything and this pays for that. No. Stop lying. There's people and then she's talking about her kids. Oh, my insurance cover my kids. Bitch, the kids have a healthy smile or whatever card that they get from the age of whatever till 18. What are you talking about? And it's free.
You don't have to pay for the kids. It's free.
It's free.
Canada government takes care of their kids.
Right.
Till 18, they give you money every month. If you have a big kid under 7 years old, you get extra money for that kid. Yep.
Exactly. Yep.
I love the
just
money.
Like how they were giving out 1,200 and people are getting 600 or whatever. If you have a child that's under the age of 6, you get the 1,200.
Yeah,
because
more money.
You have more. Yeah, you have more kids, right? So any kids that are under the age of 6, you get a lot more.
A lot.
Than regular people, a lot. And not to mention the baby bonus for each child is $500 per child. So make sure we move ourselves. She fuck you and tell people.
She have so much money, so you know that every month she get enough money for them people there.
She always talk about
child
Shireen,
comes every month.
She said, "Oh, Shireen, I'm gonna stop your baby bonus and this and that." But why are you gonna stop hers? You don't think that people are gonna call and report you? Like, trust me, there's people on the internet that don't like you, and it doesn't even have to be one of us. It could be just any random person on the internet that knows your name, dog shit, that's gonna call on you. So whatever you do to people, it can be turned right back onto you. So you have to be careful. Lord, me I give
Yep.
her a warning. Yeah, strict warning. Yeah. Whatever you do to people, it's gonna come right. And you're reporting Chin Allen. That's not even Chinoya something. That's not her name, dumbass. Fuck yeah, I get name from. You think people are gonna put their real name on the internet? Only certain people who are already bloggers or people that are known. You see what I'm saying? Will put their real name. But people with in a bad dress like me, you think me I go put out my real name? Bitch, bye. Oh, she show people picture up on our page, but oh, this is her and this is that's not me, you dog shit. I put up a picture on my page already. You see what I'm saying? Yes, you have my picture, but you don't know me. You don't know nothing about me. Nothing. You don't know about me. Only stuff that I want you to know or the world to know is what I put on my page. The fuck out of here. Damn junk girl. I mean, I feel lie about nothing. Me got top, but me put up my picture with my mirror and stuff and the painting, the way I paint my house. Just one little part I tape. And she end up go pay the white people that talk about, oh, we're gonna paint this room gray. Shut the fuck up. You're such a red eye. You're red eye. Red eye. If Tanya put up a plate of food, she go and say, oh, see what I'm cooking, guys? See what I'm cooking? And them can't talk to me and this and that. Like, shut up. Tanya go talk about her kids. Yeah, talk about, oh, how your kids they in a university and college. Bitch, you said one of your kids is out of college, university. Make up your fucking mind. You come and don't even remember your lies, them. She said one's out of college, so how him reach back in a college all of a sudden? And that was just a few weeks back. Move your dirty blood class. Stop lie. Stop lie. Just be yourself, yo. But oh, you don't have no content on your page. But everybody I follow me though. You're bad mind and jealous. Fuck out of here.
Yeah,
Nobody
because
don't
she
like
said you
you,
have
not the style, no pattern.
over
You don't
4K
have no style to
subscribers.
her. Yeah, I have 5,000. And when I first started, I had 2,500. So how me reach past she and she only have 800. She's still at 800 from how much? From 2 years back. How you still there? So I got 2,000 people in between that time and she only have 800. Does that make sense? That means people don't like you. People not watching you. Or you buy your views, bitch. You buy your followers. Move your dirty blood clot. Fuck a lie. Like Amari buy our followers and views. We're not stupid. Mm-hmm.
There's
Would
no
you hear
damn food.
Belita? You guys hear Belita in the background? Yes, we have smoke. You can hear her lighter flicking in the background too. She smokes cigarette and weed. And then she attack down on people who smoke. Run up. Oh, duppy. So what if
So
people
she made
want
them
smoke
grow weed
weed?
in our backyard in our summertime.
Yes. Yes. And people are a reporter. People report her dirty blood clot. You fucker, yo. Mm-hmm.
Inside though.
But only a certain amount, right? Listen
Four,
to this.
four plants.
She ended up putting up a video. Listen and take in, okay, guys? Take heed. She put up a video. She did a live, I mean. She put up a live. And she was on the live talking and dissing up everybody and saying, oh, fret them and this and jiggy this and that. Then she's like, I roll by myself and that and I have a licensed firearm and I'm not afraid to use it. What? Run up. That's what she said on her fucking live. And she's saying we spliced video. Bitch, we never spliced nothing. You said it on your live, bitch. Stop talk fuckery. Stop talk shit to the people, them like people are idiots. Stop it. Fucking old ducky. Me hate the girl. Lie about every little thing. Mm-mm. Everything she lie about. Then she talk about her grandfather. My grandfather was in the World War and he died on so and so when I was 8 years old. And then she turned on and said, what she say, Caddy? He died in 6 years ago or some shit like that, right? Oh, he died 6 years ago. But and then when I was in my class, the principal came and called me out and this and that. You so fucking lie. You know how long ago World War was? That's to show you she never finished school, dog. She never finished school. Because if you did learn in your history class, look how long it was, what, 1952 was World War? Or 53 or something like that? My mother not even born them time there. My mother and father.
Puss, at least her kids are turning her in a grandma. Like some people kids. And the next day my ear little boy said, Grandma. That was weird. Like, why lie? Who cares if you're 30? He's 38, right? Oh, she love cuss people underneath. She's 38, so she said. And she have all these grown-ass kids, or all these
right.
And when she a breed from? No, sir.
From she in a grade 9 or yeah, because she got pregnant in high school. She got pregnant in high school. She was young. She was like grade 9 or 10. Around there, so. And then it was the biggest thing in a Jane and Finch. The biggest thing in Finch that she was breeding because her parents were strict. She never grew up with her mother. She grew up with her dad and her stepmother. Lord Jesus. Yes, me I read out your file, dog shit, John Crow. That's why you never hear her say nothing about our mama. She grew up with her dad. She's going to say, oh, my dad did this for me. Oh, my dad did that for me. And yeah, your dad. And it was the biggest thing in Jane and Finch, in Driftwood. Yeah.
Wow.
Then they moved. Then all of a sudden, poof, we don't see her again. So they probably moved her out the area the way them so embarrassed. Because she young. She was young when she breed. Yes. And then she breed for Big Mac. We live at Eddystone. Me know a Big Mac. Me know Big Mac. From Eddystone in Finch.
So she went bad when she little. She used to love fuck.
Fuck all about. And the man them run away.
The man don't get me. I'm just asking. I don't know.
The man them run away. She can't rub me. I give a fuck. Me rub her back. She end up. The man them run away. First she was gonna give it to the Guyanese one, the one with dead the other day. 13 weeks ago, that same one on my page, the light brown one, him. She gave it to the first one to him. Then when she breed again, she was going to give it to him, but instead she gave it to Big Mac, and Big Man said, no. And I feel me pick me and run our way. But your husband is for the man in your house. No, he's not. The one in your house, the baby father that you have in your house, the one in your house is the one for the two little girls. I'm not even sure if the other 12-year-old daughter she has, if that one is for the man in her house. Because she said, all of the pity them after that, man, you're lying. Stop lie. Stop blood clot lie. The first baby father was dead, named Tony. Move your dirty blood clot. Named Tony, and then Big Mac, and then now this one, yeah. That's 3 baby father you have.
Baby father too?
Yes, him dead 13 weeks ago. She love talk about, oh, your baby father, Tanya baby father, fret them old man, this old man, that one. But yours just dead. So why you not talk about that? Why you don't come and talk about that dog shit? Yeah, 13 weeks ago, in dead. The man dead. Yeah? And he was Guyanese. You love talk about me at Trinidad and me at Guyanese and me at all these different
No, diary,
nationalities.
not for this Bagga. You cannot. You gotta
But
fix it.
your son is half Guyanese and Jamaican. So hold on there. If you're Canadian, who's the Jamaican? Because I know he's half Guyanese and Jamaican. So who are the Jamaican? It's obviously you, bitch. Stop whining like you're Canadian. You're not. You're fucking Jamaican. And then
With a
your cousin.
Canadian citizenship, that's all.
Yeah, but
You're
then
not a born Canadian.
she's cussing Keiko, say Keiko, okay, Keiko and a Jamaican or whatever. We are doing that Jamaican people war. But you are saying that you are Canadian. What the fuck you are doing at the war then?
No, yeah, Jamaican parents. Cake need to fuck off. Me don't like that gal. But she
She
don't
don't
like
like
Jamaican
Jamaicans,
girls.
right? Fucking
Fuck
old
off.
dog shit. Make Keiko run up.
Yes, fuck that bitch. Love Sanders have Jamaican parents. Fuck dirty Keiko. Like
Hmm.
she going. Fuck. But she don't like Jamaican bitches. You Jamaican bitches. That shit pissed me off that day over King Mixer.
When we come with stuff, anytime we come with stuff, we come with real file and facts. Real and we drop them. We all drop them. Tanya fret them. The water we drop them. Right on our head. Boom. Yeah. And then she don't answer. You know why she don't answer? She talk about something else and direct the energy somewhere else. Then you hear her start talk about Keiko and she start talk about Brittany and she not talk about what she come to talk about. Like breast dinosaur Keiko. I love Sanders love talk about film breast long like this and that. Take off a shirt and walk and let's
Yes,
see how
Lord,
long your blood
exactly.
clot
She
breast
said
be.
one.
Oh nasty
Over King
girl.
mix up a talk about you Jamaican bitches. That's why she not like Jamaican girl. Like the fuck? She and
Even
one
back
girl a
up and
put in
pack
a
up.
comment. And then
Right.
she a come pick that out her mouth. Me say all the man them start cuss her over there the day.
Good.
But Jamaicans. Then you
So
classy walla we bitch.
exactly. Right? Bright. She bright. Fucking bright.
I always come over there like, King, I just went to Red Lobster. I'm eating lobsters and like, fuck off with that overnight lobster. Them stuff they not
Right.
taste good after them cool and overnight. That's gross.
Exactly. It's
Gotta
nasty.
eat that shit fresh.
Yep. And when they make it, the all the lobsters are all fresh. Well, hopefully they don't catch all lobster and then feed to people. It's always fresh, and you can't warm it up the next day. It don't taste good. It's nasty.
Darius, that drink.
Crackhead granny.
You ready to come
If
bust down
it's
shot?
fly before dirty bathroom, what? Yeah, love Sanders. Yo, I'm telling you, when she ready for Sid Survivor, when she ready for her, she going to rub her about her toilet, is it? She's going to rub a dubber about her fucking toilet. Yo. Anything that anybody tell Love Sanders, she take and tell them and cuss them. Mm-hmm. Yes, drop your rum cream, the diary. Yeah.
Lock it or him have the key. Fuck.
Mm.
You sit down out the door. So you see when him pull up.
You think anybody could have run up on my child and video and me not do nothing about it? Me I go to the person yard and knock them blood clot door and drag
You
them
should
out. You're
listen to me when
crazy.
you wake up to come out of your damn bed. Fuck man, I don't know why you couldn't get up and come out. Just like how him wake up and get up and leave the room. But you want to lay down and
Me
make
I
nice
lose
in a
my
man
man
head.
for lives. Cause
Oh,
if these bitches touch me, him, I got the time. If he left me, I have no backatives, Lord Jesus. I could talk like if your kids them are the fucking world. And our kids
yeah,
them do
all
this.
you had to do is get out of the damn bed. It's so bright, man.
Mm. Wonder why Keiko and Brittany now come rub for Puss. Huh? She don't rub for anybody. Puss don't rub for nobody. That's why nobody now help. That fucker.
She no
Oh, she
deserve
a
no
black bee. She a blood clot black bee. Puss black out the dust to this to rust.
help.
Don't kill
Who's at
me.
the end job? I'm not dash in that garbage already.
Right.
Let her go, fire.
And she come right back over. Don't kill me. Her blood clot teeny rat me out with her fucking snitching self. After me then sit down and cock up good across me leg and lock me fracture. I listen. The fucking girl talk and make me get dash when inna the blood clot. Yeah, bitch, cat. Holy shit, that was funny.
Exactly, Paulette. Puss not help them cuss. As soon as them want cuss nobody, Puss I tell them fi done.
Right. She always tell them that. Done. Uno done. Uno done. Really? After them rub them out so proper, neat and proper? No, no, no.
For them stay
That's
over there
why.
for 1 year straight with Puss I rub Tanya. And she couldn't even rub with them for one little week.
Exact. One day. Hello? One day.
Okay, one day.
One day. It was like half a day when she was when Keiko and what's her name was rubbing. Wait for Puss. Puss say uno done man. That's why me never say nothing and Ray. Like God. No SWAT team now that would never happen. Never ever see one of the SWAT team members out there and the next SWAT team members out. We're gunning. We're out like mad people. Ready for fight war. You fucking crazy? Hell no. Mm-mm. Story by comment. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back. But it was also confirmed that the subject is a grandma on Post Live last night in a comment. And 2 days ago, we heard the child say, Grandma, boom, booklet. That's the comment you want me to read, Janet? Lord Jesus. She's a grandma? We are at the age.
Yes, they are, diary. Baby Lee said it's a well organized organization. They got to sign shit. He can't
Oh,
reveal each
shit.
other. Baby Lee nearly killed
Right.
me last night.
Right. Yeah. Don't kill me.
Okay,
If it's
continue.
a contract, carry the bloody
Like kid
fucking
vex.
oh, baby Lee. Baby Lee's funny. Tiny with shape legs with vex cause I'm cool with y'all. Lord jeez mm-hmm. At the end of the day, um And can't say nothing. They can't tell with nothing. With guns out, blazing, straight. You know, see SWAT team members that turn them back on them one another, cuss and a rub out
And
them
that
one
man I
another.
said to Baby Lee last night, I'm like, one thing though,
Hey, what's
from
going
the
on, fam?
social media, I know about SWAT team, at least me not hear SWAT team at turn against each other. Baby Lee said, that's right,
Right.
well organized. Okay, I can tell.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Me thief two of the people them wig and send it come diary. You know, I'm working I wear out, so I'm tonight. Whose page is what?
My Raleigh and Amanda Hall or whatever. Who that?
I don't know that one there now. Who?
Probably Erica, one of them. One of them
Or
might be good.
Nicole. But I
Right.
don't know which one. I'm not sure which one. I'm sure about breaking news though. I'm positive about that one because I'm not stupid.
Exactly that. Oh, Jesus. Who says she fling weed at the garbage? Yes, she fling weed at the garbage, my love. In the big truck. Don't kill me.
Brush that Erica.
Oh, those pages are
Amazon man
so
come there 3 times
low
today.
down.
I know me have them days there sometime.
That's
Like I have
pages
yesterday,
are
me
so
have today again. Oh no, let me go on and
gone
all
three
later.
times today. Me say,
I'm do I sit down and order. I want to
she
make some steak and egg.
Puss says she fling us in the garbage can and she fling Miss Paulette in the force.
Yes, you have to get bottom.
She got a bottom. Don't kill me. That shit was a when she was talking like when she was talking about that, that was funny. I'm not gonna lie. When she fling me in there, that
Yeah, they
was
do.
funny. Erica behind all those pages, of course. Yep. And with Amazon, you get benefits, don't? With
Yeah,
Amazon. I'm gonna start
it's
working
good
on
if you can get your own contract.
I'm gonna start selling. I'm gonna start selling my products on Amazon. I have a lot
Amazon.
of. I have a she. They think that this whole Instagram and YouTube is like our life. Like, bitch, bye. Love Saunders think I was getting paid or something. I was just putting up the videos, but you see, because they ended up reporting it one time before, it got monetized, right? But then I put up the one with her and her family them on it, and she reported, and it ended up getting a strike. But move your blood clot, Love Sanders. It's not my life, bitch. What is a fucking YouTube channel? What's it? Anybody can make another one or others, or like I have more than one. What are you talking about, dumbass? Please, can't take nothing. Be that blood clot. Don't kill me. How you feel going at too with our deep voice? Don't kill me. Damn right. She come on my page, don't come watch up my page. I soon private my page too for the new year. So all who I sit there with fake page, Gonna have something coming too, no? I can't wait for
Okay, Brad.
end of
So I think the
February.
live is soon done. And then
I'm
I go
going
come
to
right back
post,
because usually when a 4 hour in.
post,
And I
post
almost 4 hours.
in the fucking garbage. I can't wait for end of February. I'm going to put her puss in the fucking garbage. Watch this. And if you get to how I'm like,
Read to it.
why people out here doing that. Kiss me teeth. These people go so far. Guys, I go hear it through the speaker, but just give me time to charge the speaker. But big pussy girl, Erica, you're going down. Yo,
Hey,
Miss
yeah,
Paul.
I bright, you bright.